So now we will talk about some septal defect. And again I repeat my question, who is the most beautiful actress in Bollywood till date? Madhubala. And she had atrial septal defect, but she survived. So now suppose this is right atrium, septum secundum, which is thick, septum primum. Okay. So blood flows through this foramen ovale like this, pushing the primum. Primum is thick. Okay. At birth, this closes. At birth, this will close. Now, if it doesn't close, what happens? If it doesn't close, pressure is more on which side, left side or right side? See, in the intraembryonic life, blood was moving like this because primum was thin. Moment the child takes birth, newborn, sorry, not child, the newborn takes birth, left side ventricle is, thicker. So, and with that birth, this side pressure closes. If it doesn't close, the left side pressure is more, so blood starts flowing like this. पहले ऐसे फ्लो हो रहा था, अभी ऐसे। लेफ्ट साइड पे क्या है? ऑक्सीजनेटेड है, डीऑक्सीजनेटेड है? ऑक्सीजनेटेड। यहाँ पे क्या है? थोड़ा ऑक्सीजनेटेड डीऑक्सीजनेटेड में जा रहा है, तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? हाँ, थोड़ा सा see what happens is we have three circulations in the body: systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation, portal circulation also is there. So the pulmonary circulation has capacity X. Suppose the capillaries of the lung which do the exchange of gases has capacity X, and this blood suppose is Y. So what is happening is now it has to bear the load of X plus Y blood. So that keeps on happening, keeps on happening, keeps on happening. So pressure आ रहा है, that pressure, because of that pressure over the years, then after few years, the pulmonary capillaries, they start constricting because of the pressure. There develops a blood pressure in the pulmonary circulation. Like we say, hypertension is for systemic circulation, and this is called as pulmonary hypertension. Now, once the pulmonary hypertension develops, the right ventricle, which was here, it has to push the blood. So it starts contracting, and in that whole process, the right ventricle, that leads to right ventricular hypertrophy. Because वो push कर रहा है blood lungs में. Lungs, you have seen who have traveled by Mumbai metro. So वहाँ पे bouncers होते हैं नाम पर, जापान वगैरह. स्पेस का में आदमी जाता है तो पुश सो ये पुश कर रहा है, पुश करते करते वो पुशअप्स मार के मसल स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, ये पुश कर करके स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो नाउ द राइट साइड प्रेशर इंक्रीजेस, एंड आफ्टर फ्यू इयर्स द phenomenon called as Eisenmengerization takes place. So because of that Eisenmengerization, now the blood starts flowing from right to left. So initially what was happening? Blood was flowing from left to right ventricular hypertrophy. So then pressure of right side increases and now the blood starts going from right to left. And that's how this person is normal till age of 30-35. थोड़ा थोड़ा ब्लड जा रहा है oxygenated to deoxygenated. The problem starts at age of 35, 40, 25, any age. People are born normal, playing वगैरह कुछ नहीं. Then at that age they realize. That's how Madhubala who married Kishore Kumar. Okay, and then ultimately she almost died alone. Okay. So that is about the ASD. Then somebody is asking. Then there is one condition. Suppose right ventricle. Pulmonary trunk. Pulmonary stenosis. What is happening? Pulmonary stenosis. तो अगर pulmonary stenosis है तो right ventricle will push and push and push. So right ventricular hypertrophy, pulmonary stenosis and right ventricular hypertrophy. And to add to the misery, there is ventricular septal defect. Okay, ventricular septal defect, and then there is overriding of aorta. So now if there is pulmonary stenosis, that has led to right ventricular hypertrophy, and then there is VSD. So blood कहाँ से कहाँ flow होगा? और जब pulmonary stenosis वगैरह होता है, so that also affects the aorta. That is called as overriding of aorta. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3 plus overriding of aorta is called as tetralogy of Fallot. T is silent. Tetralogy of Fallot. So इसमें तो प्रॉब्लम ही है. आपको अगर गॉड चॉइस देता है कि क्या चाहिए, एएसडी चाहिए या टेट्रोलॉजी ऑफ फैलोट चाहिए, क्या चाहिए आपको? दोनों में से, दोनों में से एक कंपलसरी एएसडी, बिकॉज ठीक. हाँ बोलो. इसमें क्या होगा ना, इसमें बचपन से ही राइट साइड से लेफ्ट में जा रहा है, सो पर्सन विल डेवलप साइनोसिस. बोलो.